Hi, this is Carolyn Fisher. I'm an author and illustrator of books for kids. Like this, and this, and these. In this video, we'll talk about urban sketching and sketchbooks. Let's start with sketchbooks. When you're a creative person, whether you're an author or an artist, or a musician or a scientist, you need a place to collect and grow your ideas. That place for me is my sketchbook or notebook. I have big sketchbooks and little sketchbooks and scribblers of every shape and size. You can use a sketchbook or a notebook or a creative journal or a phone or even a bunch of pieces of paper in a pile, but the important thing is that you have a place where you collect and grow your ideas. My sketchbook goes with me everywhere I go, and whenever I see something interesting or someone interesting, I scribble it down in my sketchbook. That way, I always have a bank of ideas I can use when I'm making a children's book, or a comic strip, or an illustration. That brings us to urban sketching. Urban sketching is the practice of capturing a specific real place at a specific real moment in time, live and on the spot. When you're urban sketching, you're not working from photos or memory. You're setting yourself up in the place and documenting what you see. Urban sketchers say they aim to, quote, draw on location, indoors or out, capturing what we see from direct observation. Our drawings tell the story of our surroundings, the places we live and where we travel. Our drawings are a record of time and place. We are truthful to the scenes we witness. We use any kind of media and cherish our individual styles. You can see more at urbansketchers.org. Urban sketches could be urban or rural or mountains or plains or badlands. They could be inside or they could be outside. They could show people or landscapes or neighborhoods or interiors. The main thing with urban sketching is that you create your sketch live on the spot to freeze that moment in that time, in that place. I started these sketches while I was in the mountains, but I didn't quite get finished. With this batch, I scribbled a quick sketch on location and added paint at home in the studio. To save time, I sometimes pre-paint cards with random color blobs before I go out. Then I'll draw with Sharpie right on top. Sometimes my art turns out better if I add the element of surprise. Another technique I like to use is what I call drawing in drafts. I do my first draft in a light-colored pencil or pen like a blue or an orange. Then I draw another draft right on top with a darker color, fixing any mistakes I might have made. I don't erase any of my extra lines, even the mistakes, because I like the way that they give energy to my drawing. So anyway, for today's urban sketching challenge, find some paper. It could be paper in your sketchbook, or it could be some printer paper, or some recipe cards, or some cardstock from your recycle bin. Any kind of paper will do. I've made urban sketches on receipts before in a pinch. Then grab a pen or colored pencils or smelly markers. Go outside or stay inside and capture a moment in time and place with your pen and paper. Whether you're at home or out and about, it's a good time to collect ideas in your sketchbook. Whether you have an official sketchbook or a notebook or a creative journal or a scribbler or even a couple pieces of paper, you can document your corner of the universe. Like the urban sketchers say, you can see the world one drawing at a time. So take a good look at your life and your travels and your people and your places. Draw your family or your pet or your home or your park or your backyard. Share your urban sketch with me by social media or by email with the hashtag #UrbanSketcher. I'd love to see what you do. So that's it for now. See you in your neighborhood. Bye.